Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope everything is going well for you. And I want to just come back and shoot a quick video, guys, for Pure Profit Pro. It's not going to be a long video, but want to come back. Let's make sure this is set up right. Okay. On behalf of Pure Profit Pro, guys, it is a online internet marketing system. Okay, basically everything is in a digital format. It's e-learning. It's actually courses that teach you how to market online. There's 3 actual levels of education. There's $250, a $500, and a $1,000 education level. So you will never make any commissions under $250. With this one, it's also a one-up. Okay, so your sale will go up to your sponsor at that level that you joined at. Okay, so it's real simple because everything is actually what we call a business in a box, because you actually have your capture pages, you have a responder for you. If you're on a budget and can't afford a third-party autoresponder, I'm using the Conversion Pros, and I'll share my share code with you. And the funnels are already set up. Okay, so everything is already set up. Literally, once you actually join and pay, and I give you access to your back office, your link is there immediately. You can immediately start marketing this business. Okay, nothing has to be built. Doesn't take 2 or 3 days to set up anything. It's ready to go literally once you actually pick a level and pay. That's it. Now, when you join me, I have access for my team to some special training that you're going to get, guys. This is very powerful. This is very important because you want to have, not only the company gives you a guide, I'm going to show you that too in your back office, but this is in addition to. This is not cookie cutter, so you will have an edge, on the next person or any competitors out there, because you're going to have some exclusive training, okay, when you join my team. And I have a special postcard program that I've put together. My lead sources, I'm going to share that with you. If you don't want to market online, you can market offline with the postcards. I'll give you my actual template. I'll email that to you. You'll have that. So you can market this online or offline or both, as well as some resources I'm going to provide to you to get traffic to your website, because that's very critical. Doesn't matter what business you have out there, you must get visitors to your website to look at your offer, okay? And of course, visitors you have, the greater chances of your, getting sales, okay? So let me show you real quick. We'll go in the back office here. I already have this ready to go. Okay, right here, guys, once you go in, there's a little button here that says Get Started. Okay, so the company is giving you this Get Started step by step. Okay, so immediately you can go here and go ahead and get started. But once you join, again, I'm going to give you access to some special training. And if you look here to your left, here's the products. So you don't have to worry about, in my opinion, tire kickers, because if someone's going to spend at least $250, they're serious, because you still have to have marketing money, so you can't make any commissions lower than $250. Those are only 3 levels. Okay, we have resources right here that we're going to provide to you. This is all in your back office. Okay, you get this automatically. You have capture pages right here. Okay, everything you need to actually start this business, it's ready to roll. Okay, all you're going to need to do is just click that link, go in, pick a level, $250, $500, or $1,000. You're all set. Of course, if you come in at $1,000, you're going to get paid on each one of these other levels, the $500 and the $250. Okay, so you're all in if you come in at the $1,000. So I highly recommend looking at this program. It's about, I think, years old. So it's a solid program. And what with this particular program, guys, is because I do not want to see people lose money. Okay? You know, there's other programs out there. If you don't come in at the specific levels, at the higher levels, and someone comes in higher than you, you could possibly lose sale. Okay? You want to get the commission level that you're on. You could lose sales. Okay? Lose money. So what I like about this, for an example, is let's say if you came in at the 250 level and someone came at the 500 level, you still will make your 250 and the other 250 passes up, okay? Instead of you losing the whole entire sale. So that's my first thing that I picked up on with this program. This way no one gets left behind, okay? So this is what you want to look at. So what I'm going to do, I'll keep you on this. I'm going to go ahead and put that link below so you can go ahead and check it out. And feel free to give me a call if you guys have any questions, okay? Thanks for checking it out. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you on the next one. You guys have a blessed day.